We've got Maximo 7.6, or hopefully the application suite now, and you are currently using IBM as your support desk because of course you have the product and you're paying for your service and support subscription support every year with IBM, and this is pretty normal. And what we often find is customers coming back going, IBM's not answering my question, they're not getting to it fast enough. Lots of valid complaints, concerns. When we step back for a minute and we look at the position IBM is in, it starts to become a little bit clearer why the service out of the support desk seems lacking. Maximo is used across dozens, if not 100+ industries. And there are quite a few industry solutions for things like life sciences, transportation, oil and gas, service provider, and I'm not thinking of all of them. There are a lot of industry solutions, aviation's another one. And each of those exists because there is a ton of complexity within that industry. And then we start to look at the way different enterprises operate within all of the industries that Maximo's deployed across. And we look at the differences in how it will be used regionally around the globe because of different rules and regulations in a given country, and the cultural access to skilled labor, things like that. And to think that with a product with the power and breadth of Maximo, that those support people are also going to understand your industry, it's unrealistic. They would have to have thousands of people on that support desk. That's unrealistic. IBM's job is to make sure that the software functions as advertised so that you can then configure it and use it for your specific needs. They're not going to understand your needs. But hey, there is an upside in all of this. Support desk from someone like Banetti, 24/7 around the globe. We'll talk about that more later in another video. But when it comes to what IBM does, IBM is good at figuring out what the problems are with their software. Best thing that we can do is provide them clear evidence and a chain of events that led to a problem so that they can resolve those tickets for us more rapidly. Beyond that, we have to be prepared either internally or through a partner like Banetti to help answer the business question. It's just not within the IBM support team skill set. Love to hear your thoughts on that. Comments, likes, subscribe. Look forward to talking to you.